In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for marketing teams. Think of Confluence as your team's shared brain, a central place to plan campaigns, track content, and keep guidelines and reports organized so nothing slips through the cracks. First, get set up. Head to the Confluence website and sign up with your work email. During sign up, you'll choose or create a workspace for your organization. This workspace is the umbrella where your team's spaces and pages will live, so pick a name your team will recognize right away. Next, create a dedicated marketing space. In the top navigation, go to Spaces, then Create Space and choose Team Space. Give it a clear name like Marketing Hub or Marketing Project. Invite your teammates so everyone can access, edit, and comment. If you manage access, make sure editors and viewers are set appropriately, so approvals and publishing run smoothly. Now build a home base. Click Create and start with a blank page. Title it Marketing Home. Add easy-to-scan sections for campaigns, content calendar, brand guidelines, and reports. Use headings and short descriptions so newcomers can instantly understand where to go and what each section contains. From there, organize your content with subpages. Under Campaigns, create pages like Q1 campaigns. Under Content Calendar, add blog posts. For reports, spin up an Analytics Reports page. To keep everything consistent, use Confluence's marketing-friendly templates so each page follows the same structure and is easier to scan. By the way, there's a link to Confluence right at the top of the description so you can open the website and follow along as you watch. Templates and macros will speed up your workflow. When you click Create, choose templates such as Project Plan or Marketing Plan for repeatable layouts. Use macros to add tables for your content calendar, task lists for campaign steps, and even roadmaps or charts to visualize timelines and performance. This keeps information readable and up to date. Collaboration is simple. Use add mentions to tag teammates for reviews or handoffs. Add checklists so responsibilities are crystal clear. Keep updates in page comments or within task assignments to create a clean, trackable trail instead of scattered messages. Connect your tools so work flows in one place. Link to Jira for project tracking, connect files from Google Drive or Dropbox, and hook into Slack for notifications. Linking these systems helps your team move faster without switching tabs all day. Finally, make maintenance a habit. Encourage weekly updates to pages, keep your content calendar current, and archive old campaigns to avoid clutter. A tidy space makes planning and reporting far easier over time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.